Okay, so in our last video, we explored over 700,000 mobile app reviews for Sonos following the company's disastrous mobile app update. A move that triggered some serious customer backlash, may have cost them upwards of $600 million, and several key leaders exited the company. Today, I'm stepping the role of Sonos' VP of product. We're going to use Dimension Labs data slicer to dig deeper, surfacing the churn risks and competitive threats hiding in thousands of pieces of customer feedback. Let's start with this tree map chart. What you're seeing here are churn themes mapped across churn risk scores from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest churn risk. And the takeaway here, it's pretty clear. The majority of reviews fall into the categories of 3, 4, or 5. High risk of churn. If you look at all this purple, it represents over half the data with a high churn risk of 5. And that's a huge red flag. These aren't just passive complaints. They're from customers likely to stop using Sonos' products, ask for refunds, probably tell their friends how bad the experience was. They might just be a few viral memes away from becoming the Spirit Airlines for wireless speakers. Now I want to switch views here. We're going to look at a cross-reference between churn themes and the specific issues. So one cluster that stands out immediately is this explicit competitor mentions. So let's drill down into this. So in the graph, we can see the issues, but I want to know why these were categorized as competitor mentions. So over here on the right, I have the raw transcripts to provide more context. So sure enough, I'm seeing in this review, they're mentioning this product called Roon that they discovered. Let's look at another one here. Disappointed with Sonos. Okay, here it is at the end. So found better options, less expensive, and they mentioned the company Bose, which is another wireless speaker company. So the customer insight here is showing that dissatisfied customers are actively switching to name competitor products. So for any product leader, this should be a huge red flag that something needs to be fixed immediately. What should we take away from all this? Well, using Dimension Labs, I quickly pinpointed where churn risk was concentrated, identified competitor threats, and surfaced actual voice of customer through these raw transcripts just in a few clicks. In our next upcoming video, we'll dig into how Sonos could take action based on these insights and build dashboards to measure the trends and improvements. So stay tuned.